and welcome back to Weeby Kids. In today's session, we are going to be taking a few items and some flour, and we are going to be making some lovely, natural, biodegradable artwork in the outdoors. So first of all, choose yourself a nice dirt patch and lay out your materials. Today we are going to look at how to do a butterfly. So take your hands and lay them out and cross over the thumbs, just like so. Then you're going to take yourself some of the flour, and then you are just going to lightly put flour all the way around the top edges of the hands. Make sure that those hands are kept nice and still. Taking lots of care, you have to lift the hands out of your picture and shake them off somewhere else. So with the first two hands there, you can start to think about the bottom wings. So you're going to take those lovely little hands again. You're going to use the opposite hand for the opposite wing and placing that down. So you can see just there. We are then going to do the same as we did before. We're going to The joy of working with flour is you can also do adjustments in the dirt really easily. So if you want to change anything, you can. So we really hope you've enjoyed today's session. It's very simple, it's easy to access, and you can do it anywhere. So take care, check out some of our other resources, and we'll see you again sometime soon. Bye!